how to turn on or off silence unknown callers on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to turn off the silence unknown callers on your iPhone or turn it on? I'll show you how to do it. Let's dive right in. Head over to setting and then in the search bar at the bottom, search for phone, open it up, and then scroll down. And you can see silence unknown callers option right there. So if you tap on it and toggle it on, calls from unknown callers will be silenced, sent to voicemail, and displayed on the recent list. Or if you want to disable it, you can just turn it off. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and hit the thumbs up. Thank you for watching.